Dear Diary, tonight I braved the elements for something truly unhinged, making a friend in the wild. The first attempt? Candlelight yoga. Because nothing says deep female connection like synchronized breathing in a dimly lit room that smells like sage and capitalism. I positioned myself next to a woman with expensive water bottle energy, a Stanley Cup, the 40 ounces. She was definitely the type who journals in cursive and has at least one ex-boyfriend in finance. A safe bet. Class ended. I turned to her, mustering all my chill, low-pressure social skills. That was amazing, right? I said, flashing my most approachable yet not desperate smile. She took a deep breath, as if preparing to say something profound, and then, that was it? She namaste'd the hell out of there before I could even suggest matcha. Fine, thank you, next. Beginner Pilates. Different vibe, different crowd. Surely someone here was just as miserable as me in this cold, rainy, pain-in-the-ass weather. I strategically chose a spot next to another lone soldier, hoodie, messy bun, definitely running on iced coffee and unresolved tension. A kindred spirit. After class, I gave it my best relatable opener. Oh my gosh. This weather is actually abusive, right? She looked at me, blinked, then put in AirPods mid-eye contact. A direct kill shot. The modern equivalent of throwing a drink in my face, housewife style. Diary, is there a friendship black market I don't know about? Do I need a referral code to be included? At this point, I might just start approaching women in Trader Joe's and seeing what happens. Because the streets? They are cold. Maybe next time I'll just skip the humiliation and join a women's circle on Kismeet. Goodness me. Toodles.